Welcome to Direct RC. I'm Zach. In this video, we're gonna get sideways with the RTS drift chassis from Rhino Racing. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date on all the great products we have to offer here at directrc.com. The Rhino Racing RTS drift chassis is a 24 scale, almost ready to run drift chassis with an adjustable wheelbase, allowing you to tune this drift chassis just like a full scale drift car. It is in stock and ready to ship for the price of $199.99 at directrc.com. Remember, shipping is free for all 50 states with orders of $100 or more. This chassis comes 99% completed. You will need wheels, tires, body, servo, drift gyro, and a motor ESC. What makes this chassis so unique is you can mount just about any 24 scale model or Lexan body, making this 24 scale drift chassis one of the most appealing drift chassis on the market. It is a beautifully engineered stainless steel chassis that includes stainless steel knuckles and uprights. The shocks are a beautiful alloy that allow for that precise tuning. This kit also includes a magnetic body mounting system that allows for that flawless scale look. Let's jump into the build. We're going to install a Hobbywing Mini 28 ESC and an easy run 1636 3600 kV motor. This system was recently released in the past year and is an excellent option for this chassis. Compact and aesthetically appealing, it fits perfectly in the RTS 24. We're also installing an AGFRC A11 CLS V3 servo and a DriftArt Super Mini Gyro V5. All these products can be found at directrc.com. Now, here's the favorite part of these 24 scale drift chassis, the unlimited choice of bodies. For this build, we were going to use the coveted S13 from Initial D. Who doesn't love Initial D? But I ended up coming across the Lexus LS 600 HL and I fell in love. Building this chassis, I learned a lot. How it works, what its capabilities are, and how versatile it really is. Literally letting you tune every aspect of this chassis, camber, toe settings, and also being able to adjust the length of the chassis and how wide the wheels sit. With all this being said, let's go ahead and take it out to the track for some testing and tuning. We decided to go ahead and visit our friends over at Scale Scientists here in the Denver, Colorado area. Right off the bat, you can see how well it handles and initiates drifts. From the electronics to the chassis, it performs above my expectations. So smooth in transactions to holding a nice smooth drift, I am beyond impressed. It has definitely become one of my favorite RCs as of now. So if you're looking for a winter hobby to keep you busy while the snow flies, or you're looking to expand on your drift collection, this is definitely a chassis to take into consideration. Remember, all these products can be found here at directrc.com. Thank you for watching. I'm Zach, and I look forward to seeing you next time getting sideways on the track.